Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about that how we can make water animations and water showering in a PowerPoint. So first of all I will make the water showering system. So for this I will need a rectangle. I will make a pipe from it. So let's make its size 0.45 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter will be fine also. And its height you can change its height as long as you want. So I will keep it. So now I will need another pipe vertically, so I will just copy and paste it, or I will just take a copy by holding control and drag it. So I make another copy from it. Now I will rotate it. I will keep it here, but I don't like that much length for my water showering, so I will decrease the length here by 4 centimeter. So I will make a drag here, but now you can see that I don't like this giant. I will make a elbow type giant here. So first let me make a simple shower, then I will adjust it and first make me shower. Let first make me the water shower system, then we will modify it into more aesthetic, more looking good. Okay, so I will take another copy from it and I will rotate it, and then I will place it here, and I will decrease its size up to 2 centimeter. Okay, you can adjust the size according to your requirement. Now I will insert another shape, just it is looking like shower. So for it I will go for this shape. Does it look like shower or not? But I think it's little bit look like shower, but we will modify it and make it more beautiful. So now I want to change the color, its fill color. I don't like its fill color. I will convert it into something like this, and the pipe color I will convert into water, so like this one, like that one, or I think that one is looking more concentrated. So let's look clearly. Now we will add elbow. So for elbow I will go to the shapes again, and I will take this semicircle or block arc. So I will make a block arc here. So as it you can see it that we will adjust it. I will adjust its bottom as well as it to the right side. So I will adjust it. I think it is looking fine now, but I will increase its diameter. It is little bit tricky when you are adjusting it. So I adjust it. I think I want little increase its diameter more, little more. It's fine now. It looks perfect now. I will just make it little bit higher. Okay, and we'll adjust its pipe. So as the pipe is moving a little away from the graphics, so I will adjust it. I will keep it little bit below. Now I will need another elbow, so I will just copy and paste here, and I will rotate it like this one. We will bring it here or here, and I will adjust the size of this. So now you can see that how good looking it is now. So you can change the color into something like this or that. It's all about your preferences, but I will make little bit same color like the shower head. Okay, so that's how you can make a beautiful graphics in PowerPoint. Now we will make animation in it, that how we can do showering in it. So for it I will make some water drops. So how you can make the water drops? First of all, we have to make the circle, then we will just click on it, go to the PowerPoint edit points and drag this point, okay, up to here. I think it will look fine now. And then take this angle, and by holding the alt key, if you are holding the alt key, so the one anchor will be moving out and the another anchor will be on its own place. So you can take the anchor here and the another anchor here. So you can see that there's a beautiful drop of water make. You can adjust it from corner if you want, but I think it is fine now. So I will resize it and make it a little bit small size of it, and let me give some color to it, and I will remove the outline. I don't need its outline, so I will adjust the droplets here up to here. Okay, so now we will make some animation in it. Let me make some animation in it. Add animation, go to animation, and I will make animation path animation, motion path, and click line path, so it will be do path animation like it. Okay, I will adjust its animation by clicking on animation panel, and animation panel you can just double click on it. When you double click on it, you can decrease its smooth start and smooth end. I don't want to smooth start and smooth end in it. And the timing I will like to repeat under the end of the slide. Press OK. Okay, so let's see that how it is look like. You can see that how it is looking. Now I will bring it to here. I will take copy. I am just pressing Control and holding Control and take the copy along with the shape, so it will move the drop at the same at the aligned list, so that it will not move up and down. Now you can hold another drop and you can take it here. So let's see it again. But as you see that it is starting one by one, I want to start it all at once. So I will take it, start with previous, so all will start with each other. But I want a continuous, not that intervals. I don't like any intervals in it, so I will take another copy from it. I will take another copy from, and sorry, let me tell you that how that what I did it. I just select all these three drops and Control C, Control V. So I want to adjust this drop so that the animations become more smoothly. So I bring those drops and place on here. Now if I play it, so it will not that much give you any difference, because the all animation are started at once. So I want that the below three animations start little bit after when the first one started. So now you can see it. Let me check it. Now you can see it that the water animation started once one group animation ended, then the second animation started. So let me make another copy from it. I will adjust here again on it. So I adjust here again, but I want to as I have three drops, so I will adjust the timing of each. So I will take it little bit delay by 1 second, and the another one is by, I think, this one is 50, this is 1, then I think this will be 150 will be fine. let's see that's how animations looks like now. How you can see it, now the animations are continuous animations. I mean that they are animating smoothly, but the one thing I don't like it, that these drops come above from the on the front side of the shower. So I want that the shower will come to the front side and the drop to the back side. So I will take it, bring to the front side. So now you can see it, that how this shower look like now. Now you can see that how it is smooth animations are working. But the one thing that I am going to tell you now, that how we can add animation in this pipe. So for this there are two methods. One is the wipe method, but that will not looking fine, that will not work fine. But I will add the another method, that is continuous motion of the drops. So for that I will insert and insert, I will add drops. I will make a circle, a small circle. I will adjust here at the bottom, and I will make its color white and its outline no outline. Then I will little adjust its size, just little. Okay, now it's fine. Now I will go to animation and I will add custom path animation. So I will make something like this animation, like this. Okay, up to that point the one circle, the one bubble will animate. So let's see that how it looks like. Just look at the white ball, so it will animate like this. So I will make multiple copies of it so that it will look fine. Okay, I will keep just one copy here, and will to change the one end to the start of the another. Let me click it. Why it is not clicking? Let edit point, and let me take the point here so that it look more smoothly. I will take multiple copies from it, zoom out, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, or you can press and hold the Ctrl and Shift button. So, and you can drag and drop the this animation. But now the points come here, that when there is a curve, so I will readjust the path here. I will select it. I will go to the custom path. For the custom path, when I select the custom path, so I will start again animation from here. So the old animation will be wound up and the new animation will be started. So you can see it, that I am making new path for it. And then I press escape button, so the old animation finished and the new animation started. Now I will like another copy of this one. I will place here. I will repeat the same process, that I will go to the custom path, and I will make some animation like it. Okay, up to that point it is fine. Now I will take another copy from it and drag it here. Now I will go to edit points, and edit points I will take this point to here. Okay, I will just adjust its direction. Now it's fine. I will take another copy from it. Here is another copy from it which I take it. So now the path is also disturbed. I will customize this path again, and I will do its path something like it. Okay, but now we will adjust the whole process and the whole animation smooth. I just select the whole animations, and then I will go to the timing. So I will make it to repeat until the end of the slide, and for the effect I will make it 0 and 0, and then I will click on OK. So the animation will start from the 0 delay with, so I will press start with previous. So when I press start with previous, it will start with the this one animation, but I want it should start from the 0, from the start of the presentation. So now let's check it that how it works. Now you can check it that how this animation works, but the one thing that you can notice here, it is this bubble, that these bubbles are do animation above on the elbows. So I want that the elbow will come to the forward and the dotted and the bubbles will go behind. So for this I will select this one and this one. When I'm selecting two objects, so I am holding control button. So now I will right click, and then I will click this one, select this one, bring to the front. So now the elbow come to the front of the slide, and the bubbles will behind the elbow. Now let's check it. Now you can check it that how the smooth and how beautiful the animations are. So if you have any question or need any assistance in PowerPoint presentation, you can freely contact me. Thank you very much.